Hey guys, welcome to Tech Fortitude, and today in this video we're going to see how you can log in Git on your terminal using GitHub Web Authentication. So let's get started. First, let us just update our repositories, and then we need to install Git and GitHub. Now if we type auth, then you will see all the available commands, and there you will see login. Now type auth login, select github.com, select HTTPS, hit Y and hit enter, and select login with the web browser and hit enter, and that opens GitHub on your default web browser. Go ahead and click on connect, and you'll be encountered with a field to enter an 8-digit code. Just type that one-type code from your terminal to your GitHub window and click on continue. Authorize GitHub. Congratulations, you are set. So now, as you can see, we have connected GitHub to our Linux terminal, and from here we can easily perform Git operations on our Linux terminal. Thank you for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.